So the area right here in the center, right over here, that's the Blue Lagoon. That would be our source of hot water and for our peninsula. And then the volcano is just to its left there, and you can see the fissure eruption there. And it's got quite a little bit of action here. I didn't go over here at nighttime. I imagine that view at night was really beautiful in the sense of awesome. Currently the eruption is taking place in an area that's not in direct no homes in direct danger over there, but those are data storage buildings. And then to our left a little bit more is beginning our towns that are in this area. A town called Inrínjarvík. And then the church is there on your far left. And for those of you that were stationed in the military, I'm sitting actually on the base entrance, where the base was, where the security gate at that time used to be, looking towards the road this is the road you take. Right there, the road to take to go to Reykjavik. So yeah, eruption number 9 in the last 26 months.